Imagine waking up in a world where your phone can't unlock your face, Netflix can't recommend your favorite shows, and Google can't understand what you're searching for. Sounds frustrating, right? But the truth is, all of these things work because of artificial intelligence. AI has quietly become a part of our daily lives, solving problems and making technology smarter every second. The story of artificial intelligence started in 1950 when Alan Turing asked a revolutionary question: can machines think? This simple question changed the future of technology forever. The idea was to create machines that could learn, solve problems, and make decisions like humans. That idea is what we now call artificial intelligence, or simply AI. So, how does AI actually work? Think of it like teaching a child. First, AI is given a huge amount of data. This could be images, text, videos, or numbers. Then it studies that data carefully to find patterns. For example, if you show AI thousands of cat pictures, it starts noticing things like ears, eyes, fur, and shape. Over time, it learns what makes a cat a cat. Later, when it sees a completely new image, it can recognize it instantly. This process is called machine learning. Just like humans learn from experience and improve over time, AI learns from data, but much faster and on a much larger scale. The most interesting thing about AI is that you already use it every day, often without even noticing. When your phone unlocks by recognizing your face, that's AI working. When Netflix suggests the next movie you might like, it's using AI to study your choices. When Amazon recommends products based on your shopping history, that's AI too. Voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri use AI to understand your voice and answer questions. Even self-driving cars and hospitals use AI to make smart decisions. It's almost everywhere, silently making life easier. Not all AI is the same. First, there's narrow AI, the type we use today. It does specific tasks like voice assistants or recommendation systems. Then there's general AI, which is still being developed and would think like humans. And finally, super AI, a theoretical future where machines become smarter than humans. Right now, we're only at the beginning with narrow AI. The future of AI is massive. It will change healthcare by detecting diseases faster, improve education with personalized learning, transform banking with smarter fraud detection, and make jobs more efficient. But it also raises big questions. Will AI help humans grow, or will it replace many human jobs? One thing is certain, AI is not the future anymore. It is the present, and it's growing fast.